Hey everybody, this is Global Trade Live. So today I'm going to show you how you can use the set files to backtest and how you can upload these set files when you are applying the robots on your real accounts. So let's suppose that somebody just purchased the robot and now he wants to use the robot. So he will be opening this GBP or any currency. Like 4 currencies are available for the robots to trade. So he will open like GBP chart window. Right now we will go to the 5 minute time frame because robot will be working on the 5 minute time frame, and from here you just double click this Sleepwalker EA and it will automatically pop up settings window. So in the common tab you will see the important settings and about the robot, right? Like it can work on a $50 account. Time frame should be 5 minute time frame. Currencies recommended is GBP USD, Euro USD, USD CAD, and AUD USD. So and all the other information over here, like if you're using all 4 pairs, then you can use position sizings like 5000. And also do not forget to change this 300 number to 20. This is price to close setting. Okay, and you can play with the position sizing later on as well to choose your desired lot size. So let's get started. So suppose now you have to go to the inputs. Now you will see these settings over here in the inputs. So these are the neural network frequency settings, and do not change these settings manually. Do not do that, otherwise EA will not work and you will end up losing your money, right? But to use properly, only use set files I am giving you. So what you need to do is you need to click on you need to download the set files from here. Look over here. When you will look over here, I'm gonna give you the link of the set files on the description page, and you will be able to download the set files from there. And yeah, so after downloading the set files, what you need to do is you need to click on this load button. Then wherever you have downloaded the set file, just go on there. Suppose this is GBP right? Now you will click GBP you will select open, and look, all the settings have been done automatically on the EA. In fact, this position sizing is set automatically to 5000, and price to close has set automatically from 300 to 20 over here. So by doing this you will be able to, and what you need to do is after this you just need to turn on your auto trading and just click on OK, and you will see robot is working now, right? So this was GBP so that's why we use GBP set file. And let me just remove this. And suppose this was not GBP this was just AUD then what you need to do is just click on the EA, go to inputs, just click on load, select the AUD currency. Okay, settings has been set automatically over here, right? And just click on OK. And same like this, if you are using like Euro USD then or GBP then you will click, then you will select GBP you will select that set file which the currency or you are using. Suppose you are using AUD you will use AUD set files. Suppose you are using Euro USD, then you will use Euro USD set file. If you are using GBP then you will be using GBP set files. And if you are using USD CAD, then you will be using USD CAD set file only, right? So this is how you will be able to use the set files to run this EA on your real account. And let me just remove this export from here, and now I'm going to show you how you can backtest using the set files. So you will go to test option, right? Then you will go to inputs. So in the input section, let me just give it to defaults. Okay, so the settings have been set default to defaults, right? So now let's say you have to use the set files in the strategy tester. What's the method? So in the settings section, though, there is no method of using that set files, right? So what you need to do is you need to go to the inputs. Then you will be right clicking anywhere, and then you will see load option. When you will be clicking on load, you will see then you will be going to the path where your set files are already downloaded in your computer, and then from there you will select the set files. Suppose over here, let me just see, suppose over here I'm testing this Sleepwalker EA backtesting on GBP/USD. So I'm going to inputs, right click, load, then on the path where the set files are, then I'm gonna select GBP/USD. I will click on open, and all the settings have been changed to GBP/USD automatically. I don't have to do anything now. I will just go and select my time where I need to backtest it from and to, then just click on start over here, and you will see the EA will be starting to backtest. Right now over here, let's go to the graph. See, it's being backtested on GBP/USD by using the set files. So this is how you will be using the set files on the particular currencies, right, in the backtesting and in the real trading. So I have shown you both the methods, but still, if you have any problems or questions, you can just come to me and ask me your questions and queries. You have my Telegram link, you have my MetaTrader link, right? So yeah, that's it. So that was it for today, and I hope you will like the new extremely optimized EA for MP4 and MP5. Soon there will be Cold Digger EA coming as well also, like it will be also extremely optimized like this EA, and you will just love it. So yeah, take care everybody, have a great trading.